Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a web design business with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche in web design. Consider the industries or types of businesses you want to focus on. Research your target audience to understand their needs. Visit the Wix website to create your account. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, choose a template that fits your niche. Wix offers a variety of customizable templates to choose from. Preview different templates to find one that aligns with your style and objectives. After selecting a template, use the drag and drop editor to customize its elements. You can change text, images, and colors to match your brand. Incorporate your logo and any branding materials you have. Add relevant pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Make sure to include a portfolio section to showcase your work. Optimize your website for mobile devices by checking the mobile view. Ensure that all elements look good and function properly on smaller screens. Include a clear call to action on each page to guide visitors. Set up your domain name if you haven't already. Wix allows you to purchase a domain or connect an existing one. Link your site to social media platforms to increase visibility. Utilize SEO tools within Wix to improve search engine rankings. Fill out the necessary metadata for each page, including titles and descriptions. Test your website thoroughly for any broken links or errors. Publish your site and ensure it's accessible to the public. Once live, promote your website through social media, email marketing, and word of mouth. Continue to update and maintain your website regularly. Seek feedback to improve your offerings and user experience. Consider creating a portfolio or case studies to attract potential clients. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.